Hi guys, Steph here. Okie dokie, what we got for you today? Well, we've got the mystery pen from yesterday. Yes, you know I like to keep you people in suspense, but I didn't keep you in suspense for too long. So, without further ado, let's have a look inside. So if we open it up, there we have it. Look at that gorgeous pen. You can see it comes in a Parker case here. If we open sort of the back up like so, you can see it comes with the instructions. It comes with a polishing cloth. It's got 2 Parker cartridges there as well. So it comes with everything that you may need. So let's just pop that to one side and let's have a look at the pen itself. What a stunning pen. What we've got for you here is a Parker Duofold Centenial CT. Now this particular one, the Parker Duofolds, they came in numerous different colours, a couple of different sizes. This is actually the Mark V, and it comes from what they term as the classic resin collection. Okay, now when I say resin, maybe they jumped onto the Mont Blanc sort of bandwagon because they say it's actually a classic black resin with Palladium trim. But all in all, an absolutely stunning pen. As I said, classic black resin. You've got a little ring to the bottom here. You've got the cap band, which says France. Sorry, doesn't say France, it says Parker. And then to the back, it does say France. And then it's got the very recognisable, now a more modern arrow clip, as you can see there. And to the very top on this pen and the other models, it has the word Duofold. Not sure if that's upside down. And it comes with this sort of ace of spades logo. So it's got this lovely button to the very top there, as you can see, which come with the other ones in this particular collection. Now, why they used this sort of ace of spade logo, I'm not actually 100% sure. So if any of you people out there know exactly, share it with us down below, because we learn something new every day. Now, with this being the Centennial, it's the larger of the Duofold pens, and from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, it's 138 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a lovely 13 millimeters in diameter, so it's quite a large pen. Now they also brought out a what they term as a Parker International. So this is another one that I've actually got here. Okay, so this is the Parker International. This one, I believe, is the very early version, the Mark I from, I believe, about 1995. So it's slightly different. But if we show you as a sort of comparison, you can see the Centennial is a little bit larger than the International. Okay, now the International, if we show you the, well, let's show you the nib in a little bit of a close-up. There we go. I hope that's a little bit better for you. You can see the International and this early version had these 2 bands to the bottom there, and it now came with a two-tone arrow nib, and this one's 18 carat 750, as you can see there. Okay, and there's the feed underneath. It's got the letter M indicating it's a medium nib. Okay, so that's the Parker International nib. So back to the Centennial, which, as we've just said, is the larger of the two pens. Now this one, with it being the Mark V, I'm dating it from, I believe, around about 2015. Okay, so let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. And yeah, I would say quite clearly it's a oversized pen. And again, in superb condition. As far as I can see, the pen has never been inked. As I say, you'll see in a moment. Well, I say in a moment, let's show you now. Comes with a converter inside. Also, as you saw earlier, it comes with two cartridges. On the section there, you'll see it says France, and it does come with an individual serial number, as you can see there. Okay, so it's a cartridge converter and fitted with a lovely clean converter. As I said, as far as I can see, it's actually never ever been inked. So we've got the threads here. Again, we've got this palladium ring to the bottom of the section. We've got another palladium sort of ring to the very top there. And again, let's have another closer look at the nib. So there's the nib on the Centennial. As you can see, it's what they term as a bi-tonal nib. Once again, it's got this ace of spades symbol. It's 18 karat gold with what they term as rhodium highlights. Very nice indeed, very attractive in my opinion. And to the bottom you'll see it says Parker, again 18 karat 750. There's a sideways view. The feed underneath very similar, and as you can see it's got the letter M for medium. But all in all, a gorgeous, very attractive nib indeed. Okay, so that's the nib in a little bit of a close-up. So there we have it. So that's the nib for you, nice and close. Now, I'm not going to do a writing sample because, as I've just mentioned, in my opinion, the pen has never been inked. I'm going to leave that pleasure to the new owner. So I'm afraid, I'm sorry, no writing sample. But a lovely, lovely, comfortable pen to hold. I've got large hands and it fits my hands very, very nice indeed. So let's pop the cap back on, and there we have it. That was the mystery pen, this stunning Parker Duofold Centenial CT. I mean, why they called it a CT, I'm not sure, because as we said earlier, you know, they term it as black precious resin with palladium trim. But all in all, an absolutely stunning, stunning pen. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Don't forget, give the video a thumbs up if you will. And don't be shy again, subscribe to the channel. And basically that's it. You have to excuse my my voice today. I'm full of a cold, so I'm just feeling a little bit groggy. But I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me in this stunning pen. Bye bye for now.